Hey dudes, well, we were rolling again. I'm able to sneak out this afternoon. It's Tuesday, April 7th, I think. Still pre-spawn, I believe. Water is so far 51 degrees, which is pretty good. It was about 44 a week or two ago, so guessing pre-spawn or bass are starting to spawn. But anyway, it just feels good to get out. I went out once, first of the year, and got skunked, but got some good underwater footage of bass and tiger muskie and a couple turtles swimming around doing turtle stuff. Pretty cool. It'd be even cooler if I caught some fish. But anyway, warmer water. It's supposed to be somewhat windy this afternoon, but it's my only day to fish this week, so can't catch fish from the couch, so I figured might as well get up and get after it. So let's see how we do. Got my Mountain Dew, got the birds out there, out on the kayak. Life is good. Let's get it. Oh, there we go. It's a little perch, but that's going to be our first fish of the season. I don't want to horse him in and lose him. Yeah, that's perch. Look at that toad. Well, that gets us on the board. First of the year. Beggars can't be choosers. I will take it. The size difference there. Can't believe that. Ooh, he's got a big old belly too. Alright, see you, dude. Boy, his belly is full. He is eating good in the neighborhood. Oh, I'm out of Mountain Dew. Time for attack reload. Voila. That's how that works. A new Mountain Dew. Oh yeah. That tastes like freedom. Well, back to it then. Oh, there we go, fish on. Oh my gosh, it feels good to finally catch fish. Oh, get out of the weeds. Tighten my drag. Ooh, that's a big bass. Oh my goodness, that's a big bass. Ooh, you were definitely going in the net, dude. Cool. Gotcha. Check that out, old son. Whew, the bite is finally on. Dang, that's a good fish. Back up out a little bit more. Man, he's bending my net. That's a good problem to have. Dang, look at that slobber knocker. He choked on that thing. Well, almost. Right in the upper lip. The old wacky worm comes through once again. Man, that is a good fish. Dang, dude. Put you on the paddle here. You are 16 and a half. Shot for the pole cam. Dang, that's a good bass. First bass of the year. That feels so good. Alright, sorry dude, but I gotta put you on Dave's log. You were the first of the year. Oh, that's awesome. Way to go, homie. Good looking fish. I'm not gonna weigh you, but you're probably almost 2 pounds. Man, it just feels so good to catch a good fish like this. Yeah, we'll put you back. Enjoy, dude. Thank you. Off he goes. Wow. We are back, baby. Woo! That feels so good. Man, look at him. It bent my net. Dang, that was awesome. This pre-spawn time is tough fishing, especially this body of water. And they're real finicky. Now the water temp's 51. I think they're starting to feed now, obviously, a couple weeks later, so that gets us on the board. Back on the saddle, they say. All right, let's go do that again. What do you say? Well, I think that's going to do it for today's trip. Sun's starting to set, and I guess I forgot, early April. It's pretty cold when the sun goes down, so I was going to stay out a little bit later, test out my lights and everything, but I'll wait till I got warmer clothes and it's a little bit warmer outside. So anyway, here at the boat dock, there's my pick 'em up truck. So I'm going to call her today, but it was awesome. Got on the board for the first time this year. Got a little big perch, which got the skunk off for the year, and then that pretty nice 16-inch bass. That was pretty awesome. So got on the old wacky worm, finesse fishing, pre-spawn. That's how it goes, but just feels so good to get back out here and start the year off and kick it off right with them hands smelling like fish and getting after it. So yeah, looking forward till the next trip. We'll catch you guys later.